Who does not want love? Well, love has different meanings for different people, and love in different relationships can feel very different as well. So let's talk about romantic love today. Well, I would say most of us understand romantic love and may have either experienced it or at least fantasized about it. Interestingly, this is an evolutionary mechanism that leads to continuation of our species. Many animals also experience this love, forming strong bonds within their species. Monogamous birds, dolphins, and even some species of primates are known for their commitment and love towards their mates. Love is a deeply complex and beautiful part of human experience. So, have you ever wondered what happens in the brain when we fall in love? Research suggests that genes can influence our attachment styles and our susceptibility to certain emotional patterns. Chemicals are responsible for that euphoric feeling and behaviors associated with being in love. But have you ever thought why individuals behave in certain ways when they are in love? Why is everything rosy at the time? That elated, that wonderful feeling, often uncharacteristic behaviors. What's going on? When in love, our brain releases a cocktail of chemicals like dopamine, oxytocin, and serotonin. So, let's start with dopamine. Do you find that you just can't stop thinking about that special someone? Well, it's all thanks to dopamine. That magical neurotransmitter is the driving force behind those butterflies in your stomach, that unstoppable desire for closeness. Dopamine is like that cupid in your brain, shooting love arrows left and right. It makes you feel exhilarated, motivated, driving you to pursue your love, just like a sat nav guiding you towards the person you love. Dopamine actually propels you to do some pretty amazing things in the name of love. Dopamine, as you know, plays a key role in the brain's reward system. It is released in response to pleasurable and activities that one finds exciting, including love, and it contributes to the excitement and motivation we feel when we are in love. So now you know that dopamine fuels those spontaneous road trips to surprise your partner just because you can't bear to be apart. Or it turns everyday dinners into a gourmet feast when you cook for the one who makes your heart race. Or you feel like dancing like nobody's watching, feeling like you're on top of the world. You find yourself sending cute texts, emojis, and even heartfelt love letters in this digital age, all thanks to that dopamine-inspired desire to connect. Now you know that the whirlwind of emotions in love is actually dopamine. That is why people say they are addicted in love. So the second chemical is oxytocin, also known as the love hormone or the cuddle hormone. It is released in intimate moments. It promotes bonding and trust between individuals. Oxytocin transforms simple moments into unforgettable connections and unbreakable bonds. This hormone is the true architect of love, actually, weaving the threads of trust and affection. This is what builds bridges between hearts. It is responsible for some of the most heartwarming behaviors like comforting hugs that say more than words ever could. It helps build trust, rebuild relationships in conflict, and the chemical that moves love from the initial rush to the next level. And the third chemical, serotonin, brings calmness, contentment, and that smile when you receive a text in love. It brings that sense of joy, laughter, and adventure when you're in love. Love isn't just about the initial rush of emotions. This initial rush, the euphoria, where we see the world through rose-tinted glasses, is short-term. It can evolve into a deeper attachment and a more stable form of love. Now, this attachment is associated with a chemical called vasopressin, another hormone that plays a role in the long-term bonding and attachment between partners. On the other hand, love is a double-edged sword. While it brings joy and happiness, it can also bring feelings of possessiveness, jealousy, and even heartache. These emotions are attributed to changes in the brain's activity and release of stress hormone, cortisol. There are other reasons when individuals experience stress and anxiety when in love. And you can watch more on stress and trauma in my videos on stress, anxiety, and in the trauma series. So now you know that the emotions we feel when we are in love are more complex than we realize. The chemistry, as we call it, is indeed an interplay of chemicals in the brain. As you now know it all, I want you to do this exercise today. Think about the time when you felt the first rush of love. Now, think about your emotions and behaviors and map them against the chemicals in the brain. What do you find? If you have enjoyed today's video, like it, share it, tell it to all the people you know. Please subscribe to the channel because the more subscribers I have, the more YouTube allows me creative options to create better videos. Thank you for watching.